Gardening is good for my soul, something I intuitively know. I think it's funny now that we talk about grounding and how important it is to get your hands and your feet in the dirt. It's ancient wisdom. So every time I garden, regardless if it's flowers or vegetables or whatever, I always learn something during the process. And today I am trimming up the dead limbs and grasses and stuff and prepping up for April showers and May flowers as they come. And it occurred to me that this, as I look at this, if I was looking at the big picture, it could be overwhelming and I might want to eradicate all the grasses and do some sort of big pulling and pushing and ripping out. But if I did that, if I didn't systematically remove what needs to be removed, I could pull up some of the new growth. And then that would not be there for the April flowers. So I was thinking about that what's going on in our world right now is so many people are wanting to change things so fast, and they're just ripping out everything, sort of like throwing away the baby with the bathwater mentality. However, we need to slow down and pay attention to what we're removing. Old things that no longer serve us, often at the root, have things that's been serving us for a long time. So practice doing that in your own life. Definitely spring is the time to get rid of those old things that no longer serve you. So be sure to do that, but do it in a slow, thoughtful manner.